put that.
Is there a better way to carry them around than like this? This is how you do it?
Now I got some true safety glasses right here. I said, that's Bob. Say hi.
What's up?
What up?
Not much.
Just made it. Got that thing going.
Yeah, it looks different than last time. What are you doing for that?
The fitting, the threads is messed up in it. So what I'm gonna do is I machined a new fitting on my lathe and tapped it, and I'm grinding the old one down as far as I can, and then I'm gonna TIG that on. Boom, new fitting. Fix this man's radiator for him.
Did you make that fitting out of like raw bar stock?
Yeah.
Haul it out and everything?
Yeah, I had to drill it and center punch it, and yeah, it was just solid bar stock. Some scrap stuff I had laying around.
That's cool.
So, I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna start TIGging it.
Having a lathe is awesome.
Yeah, it's best thing I ever invested in for working on cars. You just make your part. Same way with the wheel. Same way with the mill. You just make your own part.
Yeah, I wish I had one of those. I'll have to look into that. How old was this one?
1977, somewhere around there. 77, 78.
Where's Bob?
In my pickup.
No.
Been driving around with him for like 3 weeks. In the back seat, just messing with people.
Where's he at? I want to put him in the Escalade.
In my garage, in the house. In my pickup.
All right, let's go find Bob. Trying to get mauled by some dogs here. Let's go find Bob. There he is. Frickin' Bob. Seatbelt on and everything. Let's get him out of here. It just, you know, just gonna, yep. Don't know, don't talk to me like that, Bob. I'll take your shit. Old Vega chassis out here. Gutted of all its useful components that are going into the new car. If you want to buy a side-by-side, call Shane. That's what he does. All right, Bob, get out of my seat. Is there a better way to carry them around than like this? This is how you do it? No, so it's a little bit more dignified, not like he's in trouble. You got the pulse working?
Yeah, I like that pole. It was a learning curve at first, but I like it. Works really well.
So if you didn't see my first video about this car, I made these a few months ago in time for the PRI show. And then he put these bullhorns on. That's my thing.
Back seat of the truck, I went to the drive-thru, and one of the gals working at the drive-thru, she was like, she looked at it about 3 times. It's like, what's going on there? What the hell's that? It just freaked her out. So I said, that's Bob. Say hi.
Where did Bob come from? What's the story? How'd you find Bob?
Got him at an auction. It was a clothing store, and bought him at an auction and brought him home, put him in the shop, and just let him hang out and just scare people when they'd come in the shop.
How long were you racing with Bob in there?
Long time.
Like
Long time.
well before the show started?
Yeah, before the show started.
There you go, sir.
Hey, man, awesome. Man, I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'll wear it.
It'll make you break transmissions.
Yeah, yeah, I hear. I hear. Man, that's cool. I like it.
When are you gonna get back on this thing?
Probably this weekend. I don't have my daughter. It's not my weekend, so I'm gonna probably jump on it and get finished up. Got some Brown and Miller fuel lines and stuff to put on. When I get that done, I will start wiring the car. Today I'm just swapping everything back over. So
I think a lot of people think these cars come from like super fancy race shops and stuff, but it's just, you know,
they can. They can.
That is true. They don't have to though.
No.
You do everything you do right in here.
Yeah.
Well, they used to make drapes in this garage.
Yeah.
Before you had it.
Draperies.
Huh.
Yeah. It was just nothing on the walls but fixtures to hang the drapes on.
Now it's building race cars.
Yeah. Or whatever. Fixing radiators.
You can't even tell which one came, which one didn't.
Yeah. Got paper towels in that so it doesn't get no crud in it when I was building it up. Yeah. Fixed. You good to go.
When you weld that on there, did it like distort the threads at all from the heat?
No. But I chased it though. I put some paper towels in there and then chased it just to make sure it was all good. It is.
Wait, what was that?
For real though, what is it?
That's
Like
this
an
thing?
air conditioner or something?
No, it's a radiator.
Like a fan?
No.
What is
It's a
it?
radiator. Keep your car cool.
Oh, it's for a car?
For a pickup, that one is for a pickup.
Mm. Well, not that.
Well, what did you think this thing did?
It looks like fans, to me.
There are fans on there, so.
Like a fan you would like, I don't know. I have no idea where you would put that. I don't know. I would have never guessed it went in a vehicle though.
There you go.
Yep, that's it right there. Learn something new every day.
New pipe thread, all done. Fixed him up. Now you don't have to buy another new radiator. Yeah.
Power.
He'll be happy.
That's cool. Power of having a lathe.
Yeah.
That looks like a nice radiator too.
All right, now next project.
Put your glasses on.
I will. This is for a friend of mine. He makes like coffee tables and coat hangers, and he asked me to turn these down, and he's going to polish them, and then they're going to be the pegs for the coat hanger. He makes walnut coffee tables and stuff. He makes, and so.
That was heavier than I thought it was going to be when I picked it up.
It's brass. It's solid brass. Oh, bronze. It's not bronze. It's bronze, round.
So you can turn that one down and polish it?
Yeah, oh, he's going to polish it, but he wants me to true the ends down and make them look really, really nice. He's kind of screwed up. He already cut them to the length I have. So what's nice is I'm going to turn it down here as far as I can with still holding on to it and it being sturdy. Then I'm going to flip it and then chuck on it and then turn that down. I know it's not going to be perfect, but where he mounts it into the wood, it'll hide it, so you'll never see it. So, but I'm going to try to clamp on it as not very much and just turn it down. I just gotta make it some drift, you know, because it's not completely round, and he wants it nice and round.
Oh.
I don't know how
I don't know anything about bronze,
I
yeah.
don't know how it's made. I just order it when I need it and make bushings out of it. That's all I know.
You ever got your like gloves wrapped up in that thing or something?
No, I have not. And if you do, it would rip your arm off. It doesn't stop.
Getting glasses on.
I gotta clean them. Yeah, needs to be some Larry Lancer.
Some pit vipers.
Some Ronnie Max, you know.
Oh, I got some of those.
Why are you wearing your glasses for this one and not for the other one?
This is what you're talking about?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, get them on.
Yeah. Now I got some true safety glasses right here.
Pimp.
Man, those are actually really cool.
They look like ski goggles. Like you're going skiing or something.
Great. Best safety goggles ever.
Man, they're actually.
They got a lot of coverage.
Man, those are cool. I don't mess with me.
So, it works hard.
Here we go. All right. Wait.
5, 8, 6.
There we go. Bob's pimping now too.
I was cutting that aluminum down and it was just throwing chips out. And she's like, ah!
And he wore his glasses for this one, but not for that one, where it was throwing stuff
Oh,
everywhere.
we're on camera now. Gotta make the internet safety.
Because with the big chunks, they're big enough you can pull them out of your eye when they get stuck in there.
Yeah.
That's why these, it's too tiny. You got to go to the doctor for that.
I would not be good.
I actually did go to the eye doctor because I thought I had something in my eye, but turned out to just be paranoid.
Helps put a new edge on the flip your carbide around, get you a new edge. Wanting that real nice finish. And then he's just gonna polish it up. He wants that industrial look. I said, yeah, no problem.
No problem, Bob.
Now, I could probably use a smaller carbide and probably get the finish a lot better looking, but he's gonna polish it, so.
Yeah, some real fine sandpaper or Scotch-Brite will knock that out.
He's just, it's not like we're making automotive parts, he's making furniture, so.
It'll do.
Yeah.
My memory card actually ran out while I was filming this because the entire day prior to that, I was visiting abandoned places on Route 66 and rural roads between New Mexico and Oklahoma, where I was going. That's why I stopped at Shane's on my way home to Oklahoma City. So I made a whole video about that. All kinds of freaking awesome gas stations with like abandoned cars in them, like old ones like DeSoto's and stuff like that. It's really cool. It'll be over on the sidebar here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and check that video out because it was awesome.